Welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today we'll see how you can create an account in your Dropbox. So once you have the Dropbox app downloaded, you can click the Dropbox app and here it says sign up. So you need to provide your details here. So I'm going to provide some of my details regarding name, uh, surname, and then your email address associated. Alright, so once you create this, you can click I agree to the terms and then it will create an account for you. Once the account is created, it will redirect you to your page. So here you gotta click I am not a robot to verify that it's human that you are doing. So here it says like click all the squares with motorcycles. So we're gonna click all the squares with motorcycles. Alright. So now it's verified that I'm a human, so you can press sign in. Now it's creating an account, and within few seconds your new account will be ready to use with your Dropbox. So here we have your front screen of Dropbox, and you can just say try for 30 days for your business account, or you can continue with basic, which is absolutely free. So I'm gonna skip to upload some photos. I ask you, are you near your computer and you want to set up Dropbox there too? If you like, you can press yes, continue. I'm not going to do it right now. So here you see, this is the home panel. You can upload your files from here. Alright, thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe.